Hello, Donald, our old friend. We've come for help from you again. Because an oil market ailing, hordes of tankers sailing, and the cargo that was landed out in Spain still remains. Go call the Prince of Saudi. In NYMEX charts the price collapse. Contracts open all elapsed. Empty cities and empty streets. Everybody just stays home and tweets. And our donors called and said we're going broke. It's not a joke. Go call the Prince of Saudi. And as the S&P had tanked, our future surely also sank. Drillers idle without fracking, donors listening without giving, people Netflixing, but they never really chill to not get ill. So won't you please phone up your friend Vladimir? Don, we said you do not know. Price wars like recessions grow. Call your friends now, we beseech you. Read our tweets that we might reach you. 'Cause my folks are bleeding wads of cash. Do something rash and call the Prince of Saudi. And the Senate wept and cried as supporters' business died, and the polls fleshed out their warning in numbers too alarming. And the tweet said the words of the crisis are spoken on Bloomberg News. Please don't refuse. And whispered, call the Prince of Saudi.